Hi guys, today's video I'm going to be talking about how to choose your research topic, your dissertation topic. The first thing you need to make sure you do is to be motivated. That's the first thing. You need to choose a topic that that motivates you, a topic that elevates you, the topic you have a lot of inspiration from, a topic that you can literally sleep and wake up and you're passionate about. Do you see what I mean? You're not necessarily crossing into something different. It's just like me saying I want to go into a research around finding a solution to COVID-19. Obviously that's not my area of expertise. I'm not conversant with that area, so I'm going to struggle when I have to do a research on it compared to me doing a research on human trafficking, terrorism, security, gender mutilation, things like that. I'm going to find it easier compared to when I cross to another side, because I've got more interest in terms of societal problems, in terms of war and crimes, in terms of human trafficking, in terms of women's rights, children's rights. So those things I'm more passionate about compared to going into something I'm not passionate about. So make sure you choose a topic that you're very much passionate about. Anyways guys, if you're new on my channel, you're most highly welcome. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is doing a proper research. So while you're choosing a dissertation topic, it depends on what you're after. So you can check for a topic that is that's got loads of publication out there, a topic that people have written about, a topic that you've got Nobel writers on it, compared to writing a topic that you hardly find resources on that topic. So it depends. You might want to write a research that lacks research, write about a research that it's going to be novel in its own way, because that's going to be one of its kind. It's not really out there. So it's up to you. Do you want to start up a research that you can easily find materials on and make contribution to the existing knowledge, or you want to start a research that there is no research out there? You just want to make sure you get out this new research you've been craving about, get out with. So it just depends on what you think is going to be easier for you, what sort of methodology, what approach you're going to be taking towards it, what have other people done in their own research, how do you think you can navigate around your own research. So do make sure you make proper research before you actually settle for any research you want to actually conduct, or choosing the dissertation topic. You need to check out that topic. Just put it on Google, put it on Google Scholar, just put it out there. You're definitely going to find out things around it. The third thing I'm going to be talking about is seeking advice. So before you choose your dissertation topic or research topic, make sure you seek advice. You can seek advice from your lecturers, you can seek advice from your colleagues, you can seek advice from your friends as well, regardless. Whoever you seek advice from, just be sure that you can pick one or two things from them. It's about your dissertation topic, asking a colleague, for example, what do you think about this topic? Do you think this topic makes any sense? Asking a lecturer, can you help me restructure my topic? What do you think my aims should be? Is my aim alright? Have I done it right? Is it valid enough? My hypothesis, do they seem like something that is solid? Do they, is my objective, is it, is it captivating? Is it different? Is it unique in its own way? So just make sure you seek people's advice to they can tell you, oh yeah, this is good, but I think you should narrow it down. I think you should make it more comprehensive. Things like that. So it's always best to, seek other people's opinion, especially the lecturers or people that you look up to in terms of the academics. The fourth thing I'm going to talk about is do not be too specific and too broad. So it depends on you. You can be in between. When I say do not be too specific, like do not narrow down your research too much, depending on what your research area is. But if you're looking at the social sciences and you're trying to look at, let's say, human trafficking in Gabon, for example, it's always best to, let's say, narrow it down, not necessarily at human trafficking in Gabon as a whole, just depending if there is higher tendency of human trafficking in a particular region, or if you think Gabon as a whole is not a big country and you can easily, analyze the findings from that, then that is perfect. And also do not make it broad. Broad in the sense that you're saying human trafficking in the world. There's a lot of human trafficking in the world. That's going to be a very, very tough research for you to do, and it's going to affect your credibility. It's easier to just narrow it down, except if you're focusing on something else about human trafficking in the world, maybe just the summary of what other people's research have actually found out in different countries, summarizing different countries' human trafficking in your own research, that sort of thing. So it depends on what angle you want to drive at it. Do not just make sure you don't narrate too much, and make sure it's not too broad as well. Alright, so guys, so those are my 4 key things, the 4 key tips I'm going to I'm sharing with you today. Do make sure you let me know if there was any other tip you want to add to it, and if this has been helpful. If it's been helpful, do make sure you check my other videos out. I've got other videos coming up, and I hope to see you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye.